Continuing on, CNC number 2148B. We're on to the 10-11 Luxury Suite and 12-13 Fleer Retro. We've got a rookie at $8.99 for the New Jersey Devils, Jakob Josefsson. We've got a dual jersey, number to $5.99 for the Philadelphia Flyers, Scott Hartnell and Billy Leno. And we've got a jersey and 3-color patch, number to $150 for the Calgary Flames, Jerome Iginla. We've got a rookie at $8.99 for the St. Louis Blues, Ryan Reeves. We got a rookie at $8.99 for the New York Rangers, Brody DuPont. We've got a jersey, number to $5.99 for the New York Islanders, Kyle Okposo. And we got a rookie autograph, number to $4.99 for the Ottawa Senators, Robin Lehner. We've got a rookie number to $8.99 for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Matt Calvert. We've got a jersey number to $5.99 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Phil Kessel. And we've got a retired signatures number to $1.99 for the Kansas City Scouts, Simone Nollet, which then became the Colorado Rockies, which are now the New Jersey Devils. Simone Nollet for the Devils. And we got a rookie at $8.99 for the Dallas Stars, Richard Bachman. We've got a jersey number to $5.25 for the Dallas Stars, Steve Ott. And a dual jersey gold numbered 8/10 for the LA Kings, Dustin Brown and Ryan Smith. 8/10. Now on to the retro. Alright, on to the retro. We've got a Flair Showcase for the Jets, Andre Pavlik, and a retro for the Sharks, Anthony Yemi. We've got a Flair Showcase for the Kings, Anze Kopitar. And a retro for the Penguins, Evgeny Malkin. We've got a Metal Universe for the Leafs, Matt Sundin. Retro for the Devils, Adam Larson. Metal Universe for the Buffalo Sabres, Dominic Hasek. And a retro for the Canadians, Carey Price. Metal Universe for the Bruins, formerly Tyler Seguin. A retro for the Ducks, Bobby Ryan, formerly. We've got a Flair Showcase Blue, number to $150 for the Colorado Avalanche, Gabriel Landeskog. We've got an autographics for the Nashville Predators, Jonathan Blum. We've got a Skybox autograph for the Calgary Flames, Greg Nemish. We've got a Precious Metal Gems Blue, number 18/50 for the San Jose Sharks, Anthony Yemi. PMG Blue, number 250. Last pack of those. And we've got a base autograph for the Edmonton Oilers, Yari Curry. Yari Curry. That finished nicely. All right, going next, 11-12 certified and 12-13 SPL.